Welcome to kindergarten. My name is Deanne Sarlat, and this is my 22nd year teaching at St. Vincent de Paul Elementary School and my 15th year in kindergarten. Kindergarten is a very special year. The students are naturally curious. Building upon kindergarten readiness skills, our full-day program emphasizes developing reading and math skills, but is balanced with an understanding of the developmental needs of the kindergarten-aged student. The classroom environment focuses on hands-on exploration and critical thinking while encouraging a love of learning. The core curriculum is enriched with science and social studies, library, PE, and fine arts. Students learn to care for God's gifts of creation, and lessons on virtues such as respect and kindness are taught in the classroom and on the playground. From chasing the gingerbread man around campus and investigating plants, to learning about the first Thanksgiving, reading and writing sentences, the kindergarten year lays the foundation for lifelong learning.
Hello, my name is Katie Izetta. I've been teaching for 13 years and this is my first year at St. Vincent de Paul Elementary School. First grade is an exciting year. Students are eager to continue building upon the basic foundational skills taught in kindergarten. They work together towards becoming fluent readers, problem solvers, and effective communicators. First grade is also a special time in the faith formation of the students, as they learn about the Holy Family and participate in the school's Christmas candle lighting celebration, a long-standing tradition for our school community. Through developmentally appropriate activities that involve group work, hands-on experiences, and play, students learn and grow together in a loving environment.
Hello, and welcome to second grade. My name is Katie Salmasian. I have been teaching at St. Vincent's for 19 years. Our school provides a unique experience for our students where they can learn and grow in a safe and nurturing environment. Second grade students are inquisitive and eager to explore concepts in more depth. They apply acquired skills while working more independently and learn to read and write in cursive. They continue to develop listening and speaking skills with a heightened awareness of themselves and others as they practice virtues such as kindness and friendship. As Catholic learners, second graders grow spiritually in their relationship with God as they prepare for and receive the sacraments of reconciliation and First Holy Communion. Second grade is a special time in the life of a child.
Hello, my name is Jennifer Casper, and this is my 11th year teaching at St. Vincent de Paul Elementary School. Third grade is a very special time of growth and transition. Students continue to learn about the factors influencing their world. Their awareness of their unique gifts and talents grow as they participate in class and school activities and build bonds of friendship with one another. As responsible citizens, third graders are becoming increasingly independent as they apply strong work habits and cursive penmanship across the curriculum. Students transition from learning to read to reading to learn while they study their heritage and explore the solar system. As Catholic learners, third graders expand their knowledge of their role in their faith community. Third grade is truly an amazing year of growth and learning.
Hello, my name is Elise Tolucci, and this is my 9th year teaching at St. Vincent de Paul Elementary School. Fourth grade is a wonderful time for the students to blossom and mature. It is the exciting passage from primary to intermediate education, and our students are up for the adventure. While the fourth grade curriculum challenges the students, it also provides many special firsts. The first time science class is in the lab. The first time the students receive letter grades on their report cards, and much, much more. Fourth graders earn their pen for demonstrating good penmanship and use one-to-one Chromebooks to delve into their learning in our new age of technology. As Catholic learners, fourth graders continue their faith journey, strengthening their relationship with God. Fourth grade students are indeed learning to take responsibility for their own actions and enjoy working cooperatively with others in academic and social settings. Fourth grade is truly a terrific time of transition.
Hello and welcome to 5th grade. My name is Kimberly Penry and I've been teaching here at St. Vincent's for 19 years. 5th grade students have a positive and joyful approach to life. They are developing respect for and acceptance of others, working diligently in our classroom community to create a welcoming and safe learning environment for all. Students engage in collaborative projects and share individual presentations to connect the curriculum to their own lives. 5th grade is an important year for students as they learn to take initiative and ownership of their learning. Opportunities for advanced math classes are available beginning in 5th grade. We support students increase their independence and responsibility both academically and spiritually. As lifelong learners, 5th grade students readily apply 5th grade level foundational skills in all subject areas and seek connections between the curriculum, themselves, and the world.
Hello, my name is Heather Allman and I'm starting my 4th year teaching 6th grade at St. Vincent de Paul Elementary School.
6th grade students are beginning to show self-assertion and curiosity in exploring concepts in depth. They are socially expansive and aware of the needs of their fellow students. As lifelong learners, they are forming stronger cross-curricular connections and demonstrating their desire to excel. Students are actively engaged in their academics and responsibilities and will apply critical thinking skills through Socratic seminars and inquiry-based questions. 6th graders embrace their role as Catholic learners and extend their faith through active service to their school and community through the Acts of Kindness Project and volunteering.
Kiernan, and I've been teaching in Catholic education for over 25 years. This is my 3rd year teaching at St. Vincent de Paul Elementary School.
7th grade is the time in a student's life when they begin to inquire and are eager to learn the why of life. They are welcomed into the Academy building where, in addition to a challenging core curriculum, begin to explore a foreign language and experience physical education at St. Vincent de Paul High School. They continue to serve others through the Acts of Kindness Project and live the Catholic virtues. The students are encouraged to act as role models by taking a leadership position in the student community and by serving both their school community and the community at large. Academically, socially, and through their faith, 7th grade is a year of more independence and more responsibilities.
Welcome to 8th grade. My name is Caitlin Carciere and I have been teaching at St. Vincent Elementary School for 4 years.
8th grade students are responsible, independent learners who think critically and are able to express their thoughts both orally and in writing. They apply foundational skills to increasingly complex content in each subject area and utilize these skills across the curriculum. Students deepen their understanding of the Catholic faith and put their faith into action by serving those in need and focusing on demonstrating Catholic virtues. Students take an active leadership role, leading peak families throughout the year. 8th graders focus on their interpersonal relationships by participating in the outdoor education program at Westminster Woods, where they engage in building community and trust through a variety of activities, including a high ropes course. They master algebra skills, explore the physical sciences, read literature and poetry, travel through history, and strengthen their vocabulary and writing skills. This rewarding year prepares the students to transition to high school with spiritual, academic, and personal confidence.